Have you ever gazed at the stars and wondered why planets are always round? They're never square, triangular, or some odd shape, right? When you look up at the twinkling night sky, whether it's the 8 planets in our familiar solar system, or those distant specks of light in the vast Milky Way galaxy, they all seem to share one fascinating trait. They take on the shape of nearly perfect, spherical orbs. This cosmic phenomenon is bound to spark your curiosity, isn't it? Is there some mysterious force at work in the universe? One that shapes all large celestial bodies into perfect spheres. Let's dive into this cosmic mystery. It's going to be fun. The reason planets are round is actually simpler than you might think. The answer lies right beneath your feet, on our very own Earth. Did you know? Whether you're in your bedroom or out in a field, anywhere on this beautiful blue planet of ours, heavy objects always fall straight down to the ground. And that's all thanks to an invisible force called gravity. So, what is gravity? Imagine this for a moment. It's like an unseen artist sculpting the universe. Over 300 years ago, back in 1687, something big happened. British physicist Isaac Newton unveiled his game-changing discovery: the law of universal gravitation, a cornerstone of physics. It says that between any 2 objects, there's an attractive force. This force depends on how massive those objects are. The heavier they are, the stronger the pull. Pretty cool, right? The distance between them also plays a big role in that force's strength. And so, here's the cool part. Gravity pulls everything evenly toward an object's center. When a celestial body, like a planet, has enough mass, gravity acts uniformly on every point of its surface. It squeezes the material inward, forming a spherical shape. This is called hydrostatic equilibrium. Sounds neat, doesn't it? It means the material is compressed evenly, with no distortions. Think of it like kneading a ball of dough into a perfect sphere. Gravity is the invisible hand shaping that cosmic dough. About 4.6 billion years ago, when Earth began to form, it started as a swirling disk of dust and gas in space. Gravity pulled those tiny fragments closer together. Dust, rocks, and gas clumped around a molten core. This process, called accretion, is truly remarkable. And that's how Earth became the round planet we know today. But not every celestial body is round, you know. Asteroids and comets often have weird, irregular shapes. Why is that? Let's find out. They're too small, with not enough mass to generate strong gravity. They're weak. Gravity can't force them into a spherical shape. Take the asteroid Bennu, only about 500 meters across. It looks like a rugged, lumpy rock, not round at all. Comet 67P is similar. Pretty odd, right? It's like a potato floating through the cosmos. Let's keep going, it gets even better. In 2025, scientists have calculated with precision. A celestial body needs a diameter of 500 to 800 kilometers, depending on its material, to become spherical via gravity. For example, the dwarf planet Sirius, about 940 kilometers wide, has enough gravity to form a beautiful, round shape. So, gravity acts like a cosmic sculptor in space, crafting planets, moons, stars, and even galaxies into spheres. It shapes the wondrous universe we marvel at every night, and makes everything round, mysterious, and awe-inspiring, don't you think?